going, skiers and riders? I'm John, and this is your Sunday, January 27th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. The rain earlier in the week did nothing to stop us up here on the mountain, and it is looking great out there. Our groomers took to the trails in full force last night and gave our 26 open trails a good smoothing out. And with our 8 open lifts, you'll have no problem getting to the top to get those end of the weekend turns in. With temps in the mid-30s under sunny skies, it is sure to be a great day on the mountain. Just so everyone knows, Upper and Lower Smith Walton and Mass Pike West will be closed until the afternoon due to the WMRT ski race. This coming Friday will be the Midnight Madness event. Come out for 2 extra hours of skiing and riding. We'll have an on-snow fire pit, a s'mores truck, and live music in the copper top as well as a DJ. And with the extra 2 hours, we'll have a park jam up on the terrain park. We'll have plenty of prizes, so be sure to come up and throw down on the rails and jumps. For more information, check out the Wachusett Mountain Facebook page. That's all I have for today. Be sure to check out social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Sunday, and I'll see you on the slopes.